In this video, we can talk about top 5 Katteb alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel. If you're on the lookout for alternatives to Katteb, then you have come at the right time. Today in this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 alternatives of Katteb, including which are Writersonic, Jasper, ProWritingAid, Symplified, and Anyword. The first alternative we have is Writersonic. Writersonic stands out as a specialized AI writer that focuses on creating SEO-friendly content for a variety of platforms. It offers features like story generator, article summarizer, product description, and Google Ads title. Whether you need blog articles, Facebook ads, Google ads, or content for your Shopify store, Writersonic has got you covered. Its standout feature is its ability to generate high-quality, optimized content effortlessly, style, and word count. Next up, we have Jasper AI. Jasper is designed to assist and serve you in your copywriting endeavors as your creative writing companion. It offers features like Chrome extension, SEO-optimized content, brand voice and memory, and real-time updates. Whether you need assistance with blog posts, social media content, or even writing code snippets, Jasper has got you covered. One of the standout features of Jasper is its 50 templates that can work amazingly well to improve your writing skills. Moving on to our third alternative, we have ProWritingAid. ProWritingAid is the best writing style and grammar checker for everything you send, share, tweet, or publish. It offers features like sentence shortening, tone adjustment, grammar check, and transition suggestions. Whether you're writing emails, articles, or social media posts, ProWritingAid ensures that your content is error-free and adheres to the highest writing standards. And one of its standout features lies in its comprehensive analysis that helps improve your writing by providing suggestions for enhancement. Last but certainly not least, we have Symplified. Symplified is a writing assistant that focuses on simplicity and efficiency and offers a distraction-free writing environment, allowing you to focus on your ideas without any unnecessary clutter. It offers features like AI content rewriter, AI blog writer, and hashtag generator. From blog post generation to copywriting assistance, Writersonic can be your go-to tool for various writing tasks. Also, it comes with a standout feature, which is its ability to generate persuasive and engaging content that can captivate your audience. Last but not least, we have Anyword. Anyword is an advanced AI writing tool specifically designed to help marketers create highly effective and impactful marketing messages. It offers features like built-in plagiarism checker, SEO-friendly social media posts, and content summarizer. Anyword helps you create compelling copy for your marketing campaigns. Its standout feature is its expertise in crafting highly effective and impactful marketing messages that drive conversions and maximize results. When compared to Katteb, Writersonic is a specialized AI writer that focuses on creating SEO-friendly content for various platforms. Jasper, on the other hand, is an AI copywriting assistant that provides valuable suggestions and creative insights. ProWritingAid stands out as a comprehensive writing style and grammar checker. Then comes Symplified that offers a free AI copywriting assistant that generates high-quality content across different formats. Finally, you have Anyword, which is an advanced AI writing tool built specifically for marketing results. Considering the alternatives mentioned, if you're seeking an all-in-one solution that combines powerful AI content generation with advanced writing assistance, we would recommend Writersonic as the best alternative besides ContentBot. With its versatile features and emphasis on consistency, Writersonic can meet your content creation needs effectively. We hope this video has shed light on the various ContentBot alternatives available to you. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.